What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, everybody?
We're crouching down because I'm a knucklehead and I put it on a tripod in a very awkward position. Today I came down here. It's been a really great opportunity for me to be able to have a friend like Anthony over here at Granddaddy Herbs. So he's been helping us out with feeders since we just moved out here to Marietta. So that's obviously a great thing. The snakes love him too. He just doesn't know it.
Yeah.
Today I got something in the mail. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys who we're talking about. Yep, Euphoric Reptiles.
Euphoric Reptiles.
They're very cool people. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip this open, my pal here. But I also wanted to tell you guys about this co-custody thing we're doing now, because my household is being a little silly about the tarantulas. And we did get a tarantula. We promised to get one. Didn't say where it was gonna be, but it's still here.
Nope. It's in here.
Inside there is a little itty bitty tarantula. And we're going to find out through time exactly what kind it is and all that, alright guys? But first, let's find out what we got from Euphoric.
It's a coupon. Just like.
Okay, I'll see no announcement. Oh, sick.
Yeah, those are pretty dope, man.
Dude, check that out. Man cave, mini cave, Granddaddy Herbs. Check that out, guys. Tell me that's not amazing.
That's pretty rad.
So if you guys don't know about this amazing bunch of pythons and animals and great people, go over there and check out Euphoric because they're doing some amazing stuff over there, guys.
This is going right on the incubator.
Right?
Yep.
So rock on. We'll see you guys on the next vlog.
Thank you, guys. See you.